Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, let's begin our lessons today by reciting Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And before we start, I will check your attendance first. And when I call your name, you can say present, miss. Okay? Alright, all students are present. That's good. So, now let me ask you a question. Do you always do your homework every day or only sometimes? Okay, these words, always and sometimes, do you know what kind of words they are? Okay, so today we are going to learn about adverbs of frequency, words that tell us how often we do something. So, why is this important for us? Because in daily life, we often talk about our habits, how often we go to school, we go pray, help at home, or playing games. So, learning this helps us talk about our routines clearly in English. So, for you guys, let's focus, have fun, and try our best for today. Alright class, now you have understand the purpose of today's lesson. So, let's explore the material together. Adverb of frequency. So, we will learn the definition, the types, the pattern, and the example. The first one is the definition of adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency is an adverb used to indicate how often an activity or event occurs. This type of adverb answers the question how often. It is commonly used in sentences to provide additional information about the frequency of an action. So, there is two types. The adverb of frequency. Tetapi di pembelajaran kali ini kita akan belajar tentang salah satu type. Yang pertama itu ada definite adverb of frequency. Yang kedua itu ada indefinite adverb of frequency. So, this week we learn about indefinite adverbs of frequency. Indefinite adverbs of frequency give a general idea of how often an action occurs without specifying an exact time. However, their frequency can usually be estimated in terms of percentage. For example, is always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, hardly ever, and never. So there is a percentage of each adverbs. Please look carefully about this percentage. So the next one is pattern of indefinite adverb of frequency. There are three patterns. The first one, subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb. The second one is subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency. The last is do or does plus subject and plus adverb of frequency plus verb. So, the next one is example. Okay, please watch carefully. We will discuss the example together. So, for this example, what do you notice about the position of the adverb? And can you identify the subject, the verb, and the adverb in the sentences? Okay, very good. Now let's practice more. I will give you worksheet 1. Please work with your partner or group and take your time to complete it. I will walk around and help you if you need it. Okay, done with your worksheet? Okay, great. Let's go over a few answers together. Good job, everyone. Now that you have practiced identifying adverb of frequency, let's use them in a real conversation. So let's move on the next activity. The next activity is a fun one. It's called Find Someone Who. So take a look at worksheet 2, and what you need to do is please stand up and find 5 different friends and ask the question as written in the worksheet. And if the answer is yes, write their name in the box next to the statement. After that, please go back to your seat. Finish? Okay, good job, my students. So, you have collected some real information about your friends. Let's turn those information into worksheet 3. Now we're going to use the information from your friends to write sentences. And I will give you worksheet 3 and please work individually. Finish? Good job, everyone. Okay, before we end of today's lesson, do you have any question? Okay, is there anything you didn't understand or want to ask again? Okay, if there is no question, let's review what we have learned today. Can you tell me what an adverb of frequency is? What are some examples? Okay, very good. So today we learned that adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens, like always, usually, sometimes, and never. We also practice speaking, asking questions, and writing sentences using these words. So now let's end our lessons by saying Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for your attention and great effort today. So see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.